Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make chicken curry coconut sauce. For this recipe I'll be using homemade coconut milk. Trust me, if you really want to get the real coconut flavor, try using the homemade coconut milk. You can also use the canned coconut if you like. Stay tuned. Into a preheated pan, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. When I notice that the oil have heated, I'll be browning my chicken. You can use boiled chicken for this recipe. And since I'm using the soft chicken, I'll start by adding the chicken into the oil, add some salt, and allow them to brown on both sides. I'll be turning the chicken to fry the other side, but make sure that you fry both sides of the chicken. When I notice that the chicken have browned a bit, I'll be adding my sliced onion. I will stir. Add a teaspoon of ginger powder, stir and allow to fry. I'll also add 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We'll also add 1 tablespoon of white pepper powder. You can use canned coconut milk, but I'll be using homemade coconut milk for this recipe. Check out my video on how to make homemade coconut milk. I'll be adding my homemade coconut milk. After adding the homemade coconut milk, I'll add my stock cube and the sliced scotch bonnet. Stir and cover and allow to simmer. After about 5 or 7 minutes that the sauce have been cooking, I'll be adding the sliced carrots and the minced bell pepper. I will stir and also test for salt. Then I will cover and allow to simmer for about 2 minutes. Finally, my chicken curry coconut sauce is ready. Thank you all for watching.